Hi, this is Wiz. Welcome to my channel. I usually don't do sponsored video, but I find this thing to be really interesting. This is the Akenori Dashcam Angel. As you can see, it's a dashcam that goes on the windshield of your car, and it allows you to record whatever happens in front of the car while you are driving. This device has an Sony Exmor sensor. It has an HDMI plug, and it can film up to Full HD 180p. This is the side of the box, and here you have all the technical specification. You can just pause by yourself so you can have all the details. Let's see now what's inside the box. So the first thing you see when you open the box is the dashcam itself. It is designed in a way that it goes right up to the windshield, this way, and it looks very much like the camera equipment you already have on your car. So this is the sensor, Sony Exmor sensor. On the back, you have the mini USB port, and then here you can move the camera to have a perfect adjustment. And here you have a couple of buttons. We're gonna see later what they are for. I can tell you that this is the on and off button. Then on the side, you have the SD card placement and the HDMI port. Then we have here the micro SD adapter. You have here the plug for your car with two USB. And then underneath, we have here the mount adapters, two of them. And we got the cleaning wipe, very nice, from Akenori to include that in the box. Of course, the user manual with all the information you need. And what do we have here? We got the cables. There you go. This is what you find into the box. So now we're gonna have a closer look at the Akenori Angel dashcam. This is the on-off button. When the blue light is blinking, it is turned on but is not recording. When the blue light is a constant light, it is recording. And this is the Wi-Fi button. It allows you to connect the device to the Akenori app on your phone so you can see the image displayed on your smartphone. Let's now see how this dashcam works by putting this into my car and drive it a little bit with it. So we're gonna have now the dashcam installed into the car. First of all, you need to find a suitable position. It is better to have it installed on top of the windshield to have the best view possible, and in the area of the wipers, so you always have a clean image. First thing to do is to install this bit here, double face tape. And you have to keep in mind the cable. So you need to find a place where you can plug and unplug. I'm gonna have it installed right here. Yeah, we're gonna go this way. So we remove the tape protection. So for testing purposes, I'm not gonna hide the cable. You're gonna have to do some cable management. I'm gonna just leave the cable right here, like that. And then we plug the USB. There you go. There's a blue light blinking on the on and off button. Did you hear? So the camera talks to you. Now it's recording. Let's have a closer look now. So this is how it looks. And let's have a look from outside. This is how it looks from the outside. You will have to adjust the lens. You do it by here. There you go. And now we're gonna watch some footage from the Dashcam Angel from Akenori. So there you go, that was a look at the Akenori Dashcam Angel. I hope you enjoyed this video. If yes, give a thumb up. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.